Welcome back, grooming aficionados. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious beard care. That's right, it's time to elevate your grooming game with the top 5 best beard oils of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned beardsman or just starting your journey to beard greatness, we've got something special in store for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these must-have products. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the striking Viking beard oil. Crafted with precision and care, this oil is more than just a grooming product, it's a statement. With its unique blend of nourishing oils and invigorating scents, Striking Viking keeps your beard looking and feeling its absolute best. Say goodbye to itchiness and hello to a beard that demands attention. The ultimate grooming essential for the modern man, Striking Viking Vanilla Beard Oil. Crafted with care and precision, this luxurious beard conditioner is your ticket to a beard that commands attention and exudes confidence. Infused with the irresistible scent of vanilla, our beard oil invigorates your senses from the moment it touches your skin. But it's not just about fragrance. Our formula is meticulously crafted with pure, all-natural ingredients, ensuring that your beard looks and smells its absolute best without feeling greasy. Say goodbye to unruly, coarse beard hair. Our beard oil softens and conditions with every application, leaving your beard feeling thicker, fuller, and softer than ever before. Tame even the wildest of whiskers and step out with the confidence to conquer the world. But the benefits don't stop there. Our beard conditioning oil goes beyond mere grooming. It promotes healthy growth by restoring natural moisture to the root of your beard, resulting in a luxuriously thick and luscious mane that demands attention. Bid farewell to itchiness and dandruff once and for all. With our lightweight formula, rough and scratchy beards are a thing of the past. Just a few drops of our nourishing oil are all it takes to keep your beard deeply hydrated and impeccably maintained, no matter the season. Ready to experience the difference for yourself? Try our collection of beard care oils today and discover the secret to a beard that looks and feels great, day in and day out. Striking Viking Vanilla Beard Oil, because every beard deserves to be legendary. Coming in at number 4, we have the Bulldog Original Beard Oil. Designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind, Bulldog knows exactly what your beard needs to thrive. Made with a blend of natural ingredients, this oil softens and tames even the wildest of beards. Plus, its subtle fragrance leaves you smelling fresh all day long. Elevate your beard game with Bulldog Men's Skincare and Grooming Original Beard Oil. Designed for men who take pride in their facial hair, our beard oil is here to tackle all your grooming needs, whether your beard is coarse, straggly, or somewhere in between. Formulated with a blend of natural and carefully selected man-made ingredients, our original beard oil is packed with goodness to soften and tame even the most unruly of beards. With key ingredients like aloe vera, camelina oil, and green tea, this beard oil provides deep conditioning and moisturizing properties, leaving your beard feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. Simple yet effective, our original beard oil is designed to address the specific issues men face when it comes to beard care. Say goodbye to dry, rough facial hair and hello to a beard that's not only easier to manage but also looks and feels its best. To use, simply drop the desired amount of oil into the palm of your hand, then apply evenly to your facial hair and skin. Don't hesitate to give your beard a good comb to ensure the product is evenly distributed, leaving you with a beard that's impeccably groomed and irresistibly touchable. Whether you're a seasoned beardsman or just starting your beard journey, Bulldog Men's Skincare and Grooming Original Beard Oil is your go-to solution for a beard that's as legendary as you are. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Scotch Porter Smoothing Beard Serum. Prepare to indulge your senses with this luxurious serum that's packed with powerhouse ingredients. Whether you're battling frizz or aiming for that impeccably groomed look, Scotch Porter has got you covered. Say hello to a beard that's as smooth as silk. Scotch Porter Smoothing Beard Oil, a must-have for gentlemen who demand the best for their facial hair. With its unique blend of nourishing ingredients and captivating scent, this beard oil is your ticket to a healthier, more radiant beard. Achieve a beard that shines with vitality and radiates confidence. Our beard oil seals in moisture and smooths flyaways, leaving your beard looking frizz-free and irresistibly smooth all day long. Simply apply 1 to 2 pumps after washing, then work it through your beard, combing it to perfection. Get ready for a beard that catches the light and feels softer than a pillow talk. Lock in all-day moisture with our clean, non-toxic formula. Infused with avocado and jojoba seed oils, our beard serum deeply nourishes dry, coarse beards while strengthening the hair shaft to prevent breakage. Promote hair thickness and growth for a stronger, healthier-looking beard that commands attention. Indulge in the warm, inviting scent of warm spice and powdery musk. With notes of carnation, sandalwood, and a hint of spice, this fragrance strikes the perfect balance between rugged charm and subtle sophistication. Keep the mystery alive with every whiff. Crafted with confidence, Scotch Porter products are designed to deliver premium performance without compromise. Our ingredients are carefully selected to make you look and feel good, without the use of sulfates, silicones, or parabens. Plus, our products are vegan and never tested on animals, because uncompromising quality is our promise to you. Join the Scotch Porter revolution and experience grooming excellence like never before. Born from Calvin Quallis' vision in 2015, Scotch Porter sets the gold standard for clean, non-toxic grooming. No compromises, just premium performance for the modern man who demands everything. Our runner-up at number 2 is none other than Jack Black Beard Oil. Renowned for its quality and effectiveness, Jack Black delivers results that speak for themselves. Infused with essential oils and antioxidants, this oil nourishes your beard from root to tip, promoting healthy growth and enviable shine. It's time to experience the Jack Black difference. Discover the ultimate grooming solution for men with Jack Black Beard Care. Our Kalahari Melon Oil and Vitamin E Beard Oil is specially formulated to hydrate, condition, and soften brittle and dry facial hair, leaving you with a healthy-looking beard that exudes confidence. Infused with a blend of botanicals and essential oils, our beard oil works harmoniously to nourish and soften even the most stubborn facial hair. Say goodbye to rough and unruly beard hair and hello to a beard that feels silky smooth to the touch. Perfect for dry hair types, our beard oil is free from parabens, ensuring that you can groom with confidence, knowing that you're using only the best ingredients on your skin and beard. Embrace the natural scent of our beard oil, providing a subtle fragrance that enhances your grooming experience without overpowering your senses. Designed with your needs in mind, Jack Black Beard Care is made in the USA and backed by our commitment to quality and excellence. Join thousands of satisfied customers and experience the difference for yourself. Elevate your grooming routine with Jack Black Beard Care. Because when it comes to your beard, only the best will do. And finally, claiming the coveted number 1 spot is Honest Amish Beard Oil. Trusted by beardsmen worldwide, Honest Amish is more than just a brand, it's a legacy. Handcrafted with care using time-honored techniques, this oil is a testament to quality and tradition. From its rich texture to its earthy scent, Honest Amish Beard Oil is a true masterpiece. The timeless grooming tradition with Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil. Handcrafted in the USA with care and precision, our beard oil is the epitome of luxury and quality. Formulated with a blend of organic virgin argan, golden jojoba, and 6 other premium hydrating oils, our beard oil nourishes both your beard and skin, leaving them feeling soft, smooth, and deeply conditioned. Say goodbye to rough, unruly facial hair and hello to a beard that's as luxurious as it is healthy. Our all-natural and organic ingredients ensure that you're giving your beard the very best, without any harsh chemicals or mineral oils. Embrace the classic scent of our beard oil, adding a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. Let the subtle fragrance linger throughout the day, leaving you feeling refreshed and confident. Trusted by beardsmen around the world, Honest Amish is the most trusted brand for beards for a reason. Experience the difference for yourself and join the millions of satisfied customers who rely on Honest Amish for their grooming needs. Elevate your beard care routine with Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil. Because when it comes to your beard, nothing but the best will suffice. There you have it, the top 5 best beard oils of 2024. Whether you're searching for unrivaled quality, exquisite fragrance, or unbeatable performance, these oils have you covered. So why wait? Elevate your grooming routine today and unleash the full potential of your beard. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these must-have products. Until next time, stay groomed and stay fabulous.